Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today I would like to show you how to make money easy when you are starting with Grand Theft Auto 5 online. I know you can think various things when you are seeing me as in the CEO building, but I am going to show you how to earn easy money. So I will just sit on one of my, cars, almost all destroyed, no problem.
They're bringing your personal vehicle around right now.
So the best way is, of course, there is various ways how to earn money in GTA 5. One of those is that you are going to casino to spin the wheel every day. As you know, one of the latest updates in the GTA 5 was casino update. When they added casino, I will show you it on the map. So right here is the casino. So we will set the pointer and we are going right here right now to spin the wheel, because at the spinning wheel you have the possibility to win money, and this video is only about the money. So let's cancel all the calls because they're just disturbing us. So except the spins, you of course can complete various missions, the first Fleca heist and many more. But I think if you, oh no, again explosions, what the hell is this? So if you want to earn easy money and you don't want to try hard it, and you have quite a time, you can use those methods that I'm going to show you in this video. So check it out. We are almost in the casino. There is possibility, I believe, to win up to $50,000. When you think about it, is not much, but for the beginner, when you just started the game, I think it's quite a lot. So we are in the casino. We are entering. Easy peasy. Yep, we want to enter casino. And as you can see, there is the vehicle that you can win, that you can spin out from the casino. Of course it's beautiful, but I would rather appreciate some kind of Formula 1 car. So we will take visitor bonus at this girl. It's 1,000 chips, what is worth $1,000. As you can see, we have already 16,000 chips. So now we are coming to the wheel. Click E. Wait, it kicked me off. Don't know why. So we are coming to the wheel and we are going to for a spin. The worst you can get is close, but you still can earn RP, dollars, or car. Fuck. As you can see, we get close, but we could get 15,000 chips, $30,000. As you can see, there is also $20,000, $50,000. As I said, $40,000. So, as you can see, right now we spin just close, but you can spin up to $50,000, what is quite a good amount of money at the start of the game. If you want, and you have chips, and you spin the chips, you can change the chips for the real money. How you are doing that? You are going to this girl again, and let's click on trade in chips. You will just hold it and it will go up to your maximum amount of chips. As you can see, 16,500. Let's click OK. OK, and we got plus 16,500 chips on our account. Easy peasy. I will just check if it's okay. It's on bank account. It's not, right in the hand. So this is one of the way how you are earning money when you are just begging with GTA 5 online. The second way I'm going to show you is quite easy way to earn money, but not you cannot do that so often. Yeah, of course you can do it every day or even few times a day, but it's not so much money as you can spin out in the casino. So what you are doing? We are now going close to the garage where you can tune your cars. So it can be Penny. No, it cannot be Penny. It have to be this normal garage. So, and now during we are going there, we are looking for expensive cars on the road. So for example, this one, this white limousine. Oh no, wait, you imbecile. So this white limousine, as you can see, I left the Bugatti for some kind of white BMW, and now guess what is happening? We stole this car and we are going to the garage with it. And what's about this part of GTA 5 tutorial to an anniversary of releasing the GTA? It's all about the money. So yes, right now we entered the Los Santos Customs, and as you can see we are going to sell it. And you can see that we will get $8,000 for nothing. For nothing. You just came to the street, stole the car, and you are selling it. You cannot do that very often, but when you will choose quite a good cars, the expensive ones, the limousines and SUVs, you can get up to $8,000 or $9,000, what is quite a solid work. So those two methods are for me the best and the most easy way how to earn money in GTA 5. Then just don't forget to put your money on your bank account, because when you have more than $5,000 you can lose it all. So all go to the bank account. And in the end there is one more way how to earn money. On the site IGN.com, GTA Online Weekly Updates, you can see what is free, what you can spin at the lucky wheel. You can see what cars are on what cars and buildings are discounts, and once in a time there is informations about when you will log into GTA 5 in this week. For example, you will get 200,000, 100,000, 500,000, $1 million. So you rather want to check this site every week if there is no really good possibility to you could earn some money in the GTA 5. And most often it's around, you know, those huge holidays, the Christmas, maybe Halloween's, New Year's Eve, and so on. So basically check the site for more informations. Okay, so that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope I helped you. Hope you're going to earn your first million really quickly. And so that's from us. If you want, you can hit the subscribe button or like. Normally we are recording tutorial videos, but today, as a celebration of 7th anniversary since releasing of GTA 5, we are recording this kind of videos. So thank you, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video.